I'm Brittany Trout, the Development Coordinator at Habitat for Humanity Grand Traverse Region. And right now we are working on our New Waves project here in Leelanau County. We encompass 2 other counties as well as the Grand Traverse region, which is Kalkaska and Grand Traverse. As you can see, we're on the construction site, and Habitat not only has volunteer opportunities and community partners for the construction side, but also for our restore side. If you're ever interested in getting involved, from being a community organization, a church, or an individual, feel free to reach out to us. But I specifically want to tell you about who we have here with us today. We have Centennial Wealth Advisory on site today to help volunteer as a community partner. They are donating their time and having their team out here to help us lay flooring. Currently, the houses we're working on are in their final stages with getting the flooring and then having appliances and countertops installed. As we move on, at this site we hope to have 6 to 7 houses come 2025, and then later on we'll be able to come back to this site and build more homes. Habitat is really well known in the community, and we work together with our friends to give them the chance to have affordable housing. We have homeowners who are not only families, individuals, but they encompass all of that. They can be an individual, a young partner together, or an elderly couple. We accept anyone with meeting in the criteria. We wanted to thank Centennial Wealth Advisory for coming out today, and we hope to have them back in the future.